In this video, we're going to take a look at the premium package for I and the workflow, business rules extraction. Let's get started. So within the premium package for I, we've delivered several workflows to help us go through and deliver complex features and tasks. First, we're going to open up a program. In this case, it's a flight maintenance program from our Flight 400 application. And we're going to ask Bob to go do a deep evaluation of this particular program. It's going to look at the program as well as some of the other artifacts that it calls and leverages, display files as well as database tables. Once it's gone through and done that initial evaluation, it's going to take and step back and look at even the bigger picture. As this Flight 400 program is part of a larger application, it needs to look at other artifacts, other logical files, physical files, data, display tables, to get a very complete picture. Once that complete picture is done, it's going to go and do a deep analysis, leveraging the AI technologies to give us this business rules extraction process. Once this is done, a document's going to get created, giving you a detailed view from a business perspective of the many different procedures, features, and functions that are part of this particular program. It's going to go ahead and write this into the IFS. I've chosen to put it in my home directory. Once that is done and written, we can go ahead and take a look at what's been created. We get an executive summary, detailed business rules, going through each of the different procedures, giving us detail about each of the procedures that is identified as part of this particular program. It's going to go and look at our validation and exceptions. It's going to give us diagrams showing us error states as well as calculation of the rules, decision logic trees, all sorts of great information designed to help the business analyst have a better understanding of what's part of these. Data integrity, the business process flow, again, all intended to give us that business view of this application. There'll be some assumptions, some notes, things that it doesn't quite understand, as well as some technical limitations that are all part of this particular application. Business rules extraction, giving you a deeper view as to the business rules for a particular program, all part of the premium package for I.